They say, if you want to tell a story right, you gotta start at the beginning. Too far? Fine. Eventually, he found me a new home. The Good Sisters of St. Bernadette's taught me a lot. But I was never an establishment kind of gal. All things considered, I did good. I even went to college, got my PhD. Had my heart broken once or twice. Finding love, it's not easy. I handled it real mature, but Mr. J was super broke up about it. A new me. So, with me! It was time for Gotham to meet the new Harley Quinn. So I really put myself out there.
You broke my fucking legs!
Oh, boo-hoo. Not tonight.
Well, enjoy yourself, Miss Quinn, and do give the Joker my best.
Okay, fine, so I hadn't told people about the breakup, but you don't understand. Being Joker's girl gave me immunity. I could do whatever I wanted to whoever I wanted, and no one ever dared to object. Luckily for me, I have all my best ideas drunk.
I have the best idea.
My knees are bruised from kneeling to you. I've had enough, but you're too hard to quit. We've had our fun. Now you sugar me.
This is where it all began, Puddin'. You motherfucker.
And now I'm laughing through my tears. I'm crying through my fears. But baby, if I choose, the joke's on you.
Thinking about breakfast. Egg, bacon, buttered roll. Just a dash of hot sauce.
Not too much, Sal.
Want to taste that cheese?
You're a lifesaver, Sal. And I'm good to the 75 cents, okay? I promise. That's all the money I got in the world, and it's so worth it. I mean it, Sal. No one.
Deeper and deeper in love with you, I'm falling. Sweeter and sweeter, your tender words of love keep calling. Eager and eager.
And what's worse, every person I ever wronged now felt free to come and take their pound of flesh. And then, we're gonna get through this, okay? Tragedy struck. It took losing something I truly love for me to see that the target on my back was bigger than I...
Can I help you?
Why, yes, you can. I'm here to report a terrible crime.
And what terrible crime is that?
This one